What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Tankiru. Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on how to make your own Snapchat lenses with Lens Studio. Lens Studio is a new piece of software that came out in the last few months by Snapchat, where people can create their own Snapchat lenses, they call it, which is like their filters that, like, I'm sure you've seen, like the little dancing hot dog guy. It's something like that. And this is how you can make your own. So, right here we've got all of our templates. This is what comes pre-installed. It basically gives you the framework to do whatever these templates are. So static object is what we're going to be doing today, but if you have like an animated object, you can like see what this guy's doing. You don't have to look around where there's a bunch of them, but for the sake of this simple tutorial, we're just going to do static object. So you're going to click that. It'll load, and once it loads, you'll see this nice trophy guy, super happy. What we're going to do is put our own 3D model in. So we're using Blender to keep this tutorial completely free. It is a piece of free software that is, I'm sure you've heard about it if you are into 3D modeling at all. So we just have our tutorial text here. We're going to export as a .fbx file. We're just going to put it on our desktop. I'm going to overwrite this tutorial thing that I've been messing with, and then we're going to go back into Lens Studio. We're going to delete the trophy and just right click and import object. Then we're going to bring the tutorial.fbx file in, and as you can see, it's this big purple text because we didn't add any, or I didn't add any materials or anything to it. I just wanted to keep this quick and easy. So bring that in, line it up, bring that closer to the center. This little piece of ground right here, the ground grid, is basically what it's going to place in the world to kind of keep your object in one spot on the camera. So we're going to want to make sure this is pretty centered to where you'll want it. Our tutorial text, and you can see the preview here of what we're looking at. So I'm going to scale it down just to keep it in the, keep it a little bit in view. That's pretty simple. Alright, and so that's basically it. Once you have your 3D object, you can pair your Snapchat with this snap code. It resets every session, so you'll just pair it, and then you can easily test it out in development before you submit it. Here we can then, once you're satisfied with that lens, click Submit Lens. It'll bring it up and make you sign into Snapchat through your computer and everything, and it's a very straightforward process. It'll just make you authorize Snapchat after you log in with your credentials, and then it'll go to submit, and I'm not going to submit this because it's stupid and nobody would actually use it, but that is how you do it. If you want to change the icons and everything, you will go to project info, and you can name your lens. We'll just say tutorial. You can choose your icon to make it away from that, and the hint that appears, so when someone uses it and they click on it, you can say tap ground to place, which is what you'll do with the static object that we just made. You just apply that, and then you go back to submit it, and it's tutorial. You submit it, and submit as new or update an existing lens that you currently have. So thanks for watching. If you want a tutorial on like how to make an animated one or anything really, leave a comment and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.